Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Cruze LT. For the month of August, all Apple Chevy customers will receive $2,250 in customer cash with the option of earning an additional $750 if you finance through GM Financial. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine and 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black leather seating throughout the entire car. When it comes to the front, we have our heated seating right here. We have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.